I love gardening. Hello, I'm Master Mingtong Gu. I love gardening. We plant more than 200 trees in the year and a half. I still want to plant more. Even gardening is very challenging in Santa Fe, in the desert. After planting the tree, digging the hole, putting the tree in the hole, fertilizing, mulching, and the next step is the irrigation. Here we need to using the drip head, and because of the water directly come from the earth, the well, and so much minerals, so all the heads clog out easily. And in order to save the water, we use a dripping head for each plant, each trees. So I have thousands of dripping head on the land, and they get clogged every week. So we got to check them, clean them every week, and make sure every plant has the water. Someday I couldn't sleep thinking about does that particular plant get enough water? Is the dripping head get clogged or not? So, but at the same time, every time I got to check on them, and it's such a blessing. Not only make sure they're getting enough water, but I got to have a chance to be with them, touching them, enjoy them, feel them. And get my hands wet and dirty. That's one of my pleasure, the pleasure of life, the fulfillment of life. And such a surprise gift by living in Santa Fe, in the desert. My dog Mocha enjoyed that, running around, play with the water, getting wet, getting very dirty. My wife doesn't like it because I'm not the one taking shower for her. If you enjoy gardening or enjoying the tree, flowers, the plants, commenting yes right here, and see you soon.